Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and once again I'm here. And today I'm going to teach you that how you can add the numbers in MS Excel sheet. So today I will share two methods by which you can calculate. And the first method, first of all, let me inform you, let me clear you that what kind of data on which we are going to working. So here is the name of the staff, and not the staff, these are the students, and these are the total marks, and these are the marks obtained by each of the student. Let me center line it. Okay, so the first method is for calculation. I just to go on that cell where I want to calculate. I will just click on auto sum and just press enter, and it will give me the calculation. It will give me the sum of the above values. And other one is I will just type sum parentheses open and all the range which I want to calculate, and parentheses close, and I will just press enter, and the calculation will be in front of me. So these are the basic, this is very basic thing, and I showed you the both ways for the calculation to add the numbers. So this is all for this tutorial. And one more thing, that is, kindly give me the feedback, which is very mandatory for my self evaluation. I'm repeating this sentence in my each and every tutorial because your feedback cost me a lot. This is very mandatory, this is very compulsory for me. So kindly give me the feedback, and also subscribe my channel. And if you have any sort of query, any sort of question, kindly give me that query and your question. This will be a good sign for me if you will give me the feedback. So see you in the next one. Thank you.